Hello students, today we will discuss about a new chapter and it is the first chapter of class 10, that is real numbers. Okay, so before the study of real numbers, first of all we try to understand about some types of number we have already studied in earlier classes. Okay, so now these numbers are: first, counting numbers; second, natural numbers; third, whole numbers; or integers; five, rational numbers; and six, irrational numbers, and seven, real numbers. Okay, now one by one we discuss about these numbers. Okay, so first of all we discuss about counting numbers. Okay, so counting numbers 1 2 3 4, say we can write 1 2 3 4 dot dot, are known as counting numbers. Okay, now second, natural numbers. Okay, so counting numbers are known as natural numbers. Means, as example, we can also take 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Okay, so these are natural numbers. If anybody asks you what is the smallest natural number, so the smallest natural number is 1. Okay, and third, whole numbers. Okay, so natural numbers together with 0 is known as whole numbers. Okay, so as an example we can write 0 1 2 3 4 and so on are known as whole number. So smallest whole number is 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay, now next, integers. So what are integers? So natural numbers together with 0 and negatives of natural numbers are known as integers. Okay, so we can also try to understand how to represent integers on number line. So this is a number line. So suppose this point represent 0. So 0 to left negative numbers and 0 to right positive number. Means suppose this is 1 2 3 and this is -1 -2 -3. So as an example we can also write 0 -1 -2 dot dot and 1 2 dot. Okay, so next number is a rational number. So in earlier classes we have studied about the definition of rational numbers. The number in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, but Q does not equal to 0. Q does not equal to 0 is known as a rational number. Okay, so now as an example, so we can write 1 by 2, 1 by 4, -1 by 5, -2, 0, 1 and so on. Next number is irrational numbers. Okay, so irrational numbers, the number which is not in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0. So not in the form of p by q. So as example we can write root 2. So root 2 can be written as root 2 by 1, but root 2 is not an integer. So root 2 is an irrational number. Okay? We can define the rational and irrational number in other way also. Okay, so first rational number, we can define the rational number, the number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, a number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating, is known as irrational numbers, and a number whose decimal expansion is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Okay, either terminating or non-terminating repeating is known as rational number. Okay, so now there is a word terminating. Terminating, non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, repeating. Okay, so terminating means come to end. When you divide any number by other numbers, suppose 1 is divided by 2, so now here point, so 1 0, so 5 2 are 10, so now 1 upon 2 equal to 0.5. Okay, so this expansion is known as terminating, means come to end. Okay, other example, when you divide 1 by 3, so 0.03910, again 3, so 9 1, so now this is known as non-terminating repeating, non-terminating repeating. Okay, and now non-terminating repeating. One other example, that is non-terminating non-repeating. So non-terminating non-repeating means, as example, 1.151551555 and so on. So that is the example of non-terminating non-repeating. So it is an irrational number. Okay, that is the example of irrational number, and this is the example of rational number. It can also written 1 by 3 equal to 0.3 bar. So this is the example of rational number. It is also rational number. So rational number means decimal expansion is either terminating or non-terminating repeating, is known as rational number, and the number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating is known as irrational number. Okay, so now all of you understood about these types of numbers. Now the main number which you have to study, that is real number. Okay, so now real number. What are real numbers? Okay, so real numbers means the combination of rational and irrational. Okay, combination of rational and irrational are known as real numbers. Okay, so now all numbers which you have to seen are real numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0.3 on bar, 0.5. Okay, 1.15, 155, and so on. All are real number. Okay, real number means the combination of rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. Okay, now we can express, represent these numbers diagrammatically to understand clearly. Okay, so now all of you see. Okay, now it is the shape of a rectangle. So real number can be expressed as rectangle. Okay, now real number is divided into two parts. One part is smaller and other part is greater than the first part. So now this part represents irrational numbers, and this is rational numbers. Okay, now this part represent integers. Okay, now other part represent whole numbers, and this part is natural numbers. Okay, so this is the representation of real numbers diagrammatically. Okay, so from this diagram it is clear that all irrational numbers, rational numbers are real numbers, all integers are real number, all whole numbers are real number, all natural numbers are real number. But we can also say all real numbers, all rational numbers, all integers are real number, but all real numbers are not an integers. Okay, okay, so now all of you, if you want to draw this diagram, so do hurry up.